Well, after a good while exploring the coastlines, we've decided to come to a change of scenery.
Yes.
And we're going to visit the 7 waterfalls. We've strayed from the coast and we're in the mountains, in the forest.
Oh, look at that cat.
Look at the cat.
It's Hitler.
The heck did they do this guy?
You got games on your phone?
You want to go down to Kanidaru Falls?
Absolutely.
Kanidaru Falls. And each waterfall is represented by a little deity. 7 gods of fortune. Pay our respects. 7 gods of fortune, also called the 7 lucky gods, are famous for Japanese mythology and folk or Hotte, a deity of good fortune and happiness, is known for his large stomach. Oh, fat boy.
Good fortune, you know?
Sorry. Good fortune, he eats a lot. Got a little fall. I wonder what the temperature's like. I'm gonna go check it out.
You wanna go check out the water?
Yeah.
Here we go. Is it nice?
No.
It's cold?
Cold. I think it's colder than the ocean.
Oh god. This is colder than the ocean, bro. The ocean was freezing, dude. I don't know how it can be colder than the ocean. The ocean is like freezing. Yo, dunk your head.
Not here.
Why not? This is fall number 2. It's very cute. These are all falls of the same river.
I think so.
Seems like they're all
one stream.
Yeah, it seems like they're all connected one to another through one stream, and it's just like small falls, large falls.
Yeah.
But the water is so remarkably just clear. This is so ridiculously clear. You can see every single little thing, all those rocks.
Why are there stairs here too?
Oh my god, bro.
Oh. Man, stop with the stairs.
They like walking, bro. Alright, here we are. Next fall. Shokkei-daru Falls. What do you gotta say?
Forces of nature are terrifying.
I know, right?
And I also kind of want to swim in it. But it's really cold.
Yep.
But my monkey brain is like water.
Water, jump in.
Yeah. Oh. Flip it. And everybody knows that on Ace Trippin' we're very cultured.
Yeah. We
Very
try to,
cultured
we at least try to be. We know the culture. Money.
Very culture. Much culture.
Dude, I did it. Now for the ultimate arch nemesis of Ace Trippin'.
Stairs.
Motherfucking stairs, baby. If you guys want to know what this place looks like, this is the trail that we're on. We are currently down there. Oh my god. Well, boys, Hebi-daru. We have made it to Hebi-daru Falls.
Another deity
Of course, there's another deity.
of long life.
This is Fukurokuju, a deity of long life. Sometimes identified with Jurojin, can be recognized by his large head. Hebi-daru Falls.
Oh, that's so nice.
Wow, that honestly looks like a great pool to just go swimming, right? If only it wasn't like
Get on top of those lava rocks and jump in.
yeah. You know what? I'm feeling generous today. I think I'll go for 100.
Wow. You're really gonna get a long life, man.
Culture.
Culture. Yeah. It's a stair bridge. Jeez.
This is actually kind of cool.
It is actually kind of cool. I can feel it bounce. This is such an awkward angle for stairs, too. Whoa. Oh, you can feel the water in the air coming off the waterfall. Oh, this is huge. Look at this entire wall is volcanic rock.
Bisha Mountain, a deity of good fortune, is dressed in armor. Bro.
This is a mean one, dude.
I'm wet.
Yeah, you can feel the water spiking up. Oh, wow.
Wow, that feels so good, honestly.
It does. It's like a nice mist. Look at this overhang of volcanic rock.
Yeah, no, that's crazy. That is crazy.
Update time. We're bowling, dude. I don't know how this happened, but we're bowling now. And we're the only people here. Got the place to ourselves.
Yeah.
We got nice bowling shoes. Show them off the shoes. Bowling rental shoes. They take it very seriously.
Yeah.
Rub up the ball. Alright, show us how it's done, bro.
It's been a long time, but we'll see.
Show us how it's done. Not bad. Not bad, dude.
Not bad, not bad.
Not bad.
My left glute just killed me there, bro. I
Dude.
threw that and it hurt.
I suck at bowling. Question is, can you get accurate enough to hit down the one pin?
Maybe. No.
Nope.
Funny.
Nope.
I spun it, baby.
Alright,
Here we go.
read them and weep.
Read them and weep. I like that. I like that. I know they're a little bit slippery.
It's different.
They're a little bit slippery. Come on, baby. Hey, that's better. Hey, look at that.
You can warm up the wrist. See, I'm still a dirty foreigner Westerner with the same mindset as a dirty foreigner Westerner, so I was expecting, like, I don't know, I guess like an American style, like arcades and beer and pizza and food and junk and shit, but this place is kind of low-key pristine.
Yeah, it's very nice here.
It's actually kind of like professional. All right, show us how it's done one more time.
Bad, bro. Bad. Leave it behind, bro.
Ooh.
Nice. Steve, right?
There it is.
Dang, bro. You're throwing so straight, bro. You gotta throw weaker than that.
Damn, if that was another strike, that would have been.
That's the reason that that's the reason your throws aren't strikes. You're throwing too hard.
What do you mean? If I'm throwing hard, just go right through them and disperse everything.
No.
Bullshit. Watch this.
Dang, bro, you throw really straight. That's really surprising.
Threw hard as fuck right there.
32.63. That was pretty damn good.
Just throw hard. Just aim for the middle and throw really hard. Cinematic.
There you go.
Another one down.
Dude, I don't know why, bro. I just can't hit them like that.
I told you, I just need to warm up. First game was the warm-up game. Now I'm warmed up.
I can't blame you for that.
Damn.
Too fast. Oh. Ah.
Final frame.
The ass, bro. The ass is killing me. I shouldn't have gone bowling today. Resort.
Bro, I wanted to go for the triple final frame strike.
Yeah, right, bro.
I'll do it. I'll do it right now.
Do it right
I
now?
can still do it.
You can. He still has all pins up. Yeah, you can still hit the strike. I don't know if it'll give you another turn, but you can still hit the strike.
Dang. That's it.
And that's game, boys.
That's game.
206 to 113. 206 to 113.
Champ.
The man deserves props. She deserves props.
Champ shit. Just want to talk about the shoe rental station they got. You just press a button and you just take a shoe out and then it just refills. It's like a shoe vending machine. They just do vending machines for everything. Shoe vending machine, man. The shoes in the bin. You just put the shoes right into the machine. You just throw them right in there. You just throw it right in? Just throw it right in. Arigatou gozaimasu. Put your balls back, throw your shoes right back in the vending machine. Pretty neat. This is the outside of the bowling alley. I don't think you would suspect this to be a bowling alley at all.
You think this would be a bowling alley?
This is a bowling alley?
Would this be a bowling alley?
It's like
it
pristine.
looks like an onsen, bro.
I think it is a big onsen resort. I think there's a bowling alley here. I think this is a gym. That's on Google Maps. And that's something else.
Resort.
Maybe the entrance to the resort. But yeah, this is a bowling alley. We were so confused walking in. We were like, is this the right place? This doesn't look like a bowling alley. Just us dirty foreigners, man.
Yep, just a dirty foreigner.
We're used to big pins and big lights and music, but no, they keep it pristine.
Yeah.
I mean, there might be bowling alleys like that in Japan. I'm not gonna categorize everything, but
there probably are, but probably not around this area.
Yeah.
There's also like.
We're in resort area.
Yeah, this isn't also like the main area of Japan, so.
Yeah. And of course, they keep the smoking area pristine as well.
Of course, you have to.
You gotta love the smoking culture, man.
It's great. Honestly,
Everywhere.
It's really, I love how clean all the smoking areas are.
Well, because once you let people have a space to smoke, they will keep
smoke
it clean.
And keep it clean, absolutely.
Once you make people smoke in the streets like dogs and they don't have anywhere to go, then they're like, fuck you, I'll just throw my shit everywhere.
Yeah, box, street.
I mean, you do see some of that too in Japan in like parking lots.
A lot less. Surprisingly, a whole lot less.
Yeah. But you still see like parking lots and stuff where people will just throw their buds out. But a lot of like the smoking areas are kept clean.
Well, frankly, it's just like acceptable.
Yeah.